There you go.
Oh God.
All right, start popping it.
Oh.
He was following it for a while.
Oh, he's running my boat out of gear. Oh.
Oh, he got it.
Oh shit.
Bring him over.
Oh, it's a big monster. So I think we got a big monster this time. Oh, he's fighting like a son of a bitch.
Bring him in. Bring him in.
There we go.
Here, do you want me to take him off this time, or?
I got him this time.
Okay.
It's like a mighty fish. Let's see where he is. Oh, he's on the propeller. Oh.
Yeah.
On the propeller. Oh. Here we go.
Had some.
Right.
Oh, there he is.
A little difficulty here. It's caught on the propeller. Oh, that son of a bitch. Oh yeah, Snook. Oh yeah, he's a fighter.
Whoa.
God, he's a fighter.
Grab him by the side of the gills. Grab him by the side of the head. Yeah, there you go. The side of the head. Or just put him in your lap.
Yeah.
There you go, right there.
There we go.
Let me.
Caught using the RC Fishing World Fishing Boat.com. So you need to go ahead and want to get one of these real fast. But Easter, Christmas is over, but Christmas came early for me.
Yeah, just pull it as hard as you can. They'll come out. Oh, the other hook.
Right, I just caught him on the other hook.
Yep. rcfishingworld.com.
Oh, I don't know. I don't have tweezers.
Here, just hold him for a minute, and I'll bust that out.
There you go.
Alright, let's get the release here.
Let's let him go. See you later, bud. I'll see you tomorrow. Same time, same fishing channel. See you then.